welcome to Crispy Crunchy Cooking. So this time I am making very cute and adorable tomato baskets filled with different stuffings, and I am sure you are all going to like it. And today I am going to ask you a very cute question, and that is, when I will show you the ingredient, there will be one ingredient which is very happy because that is smiling. So you have to guess what that ingredient is. So watch carefully and do tell me, and if you're the first one to tell the correct answer, I will pin your comment, and I promise definitely that in the next video I'll make a dish of your choice. So kindly watch the video carefully and do tell me in the comment how you find my new recipe. Come on, let's see. So friends, as you know, we are making a special dish today, so I'll tell you the ingredients. So first of all, we have taken sweet corns, these are boiled peas, and these are potatoes are boiled and cut it into small pieces. These are mashed potatoes, and this is cheese, and this is paneer, and this is white peas, chickpeas you can say, and this is coriander leaves, purple cabbage, and this is lettuce. I just forgot it name. And the main ingredient, I have taken big size tomatoes. Okay, so you have to take big size tomatoes. So we have taken a pan, and in it we have put some oil. Now I'll put, this is cumin seeds, and now I'll add some boiled peas in it. And see, they are already boiled, so we don't have to cook them much. Then I'll add these mashed potato in it. So friends, now we'll add some salt according to your choice, and then this is black salt, you can add a little bit of it. Then this is chaat masala. So now we'll add garam masala, and then we will also add black pepper. You can add green chilies also, but I don't like. And in the end I will add some cheese also. Okay, cheese slices. Okay, our stuffing is, one stuffing is ready, and we will add some cottage cheese. Okay, and we will add some cumin seeds also. We will just make them a little brown. So friends, now we'll add sweet corn in it. I have just boiled them. Now I will close the fire, and now I will add the ingredients. First of all, a little amount of salt, you can add according to taste. Then it's chaat masala, my favorite. Then you can add garam masala, and then you will add black pepper. Just mix them well, and in the end I'll sprinkle some lemon over it. Okay, so our second stuffing is also ready. So friends, for the third stuffing I have taken small cut potato pieces and chickpeas, and now we'll put the ingredient inside it because they both are boiled. So first of all, salt, then it comes chaat masala, my favorite in all the dishes, and then it's a black salt, and then oregano, and then comes black pepper. Okay, and here I will also add sauce, and now I will mix it well. And in the end I will sprinkle some lemon juice over it. Okay, so our third stuffing is ready. So friends, we have to cut it like this. See, now we will empty it from inside also. Okay, so friends, see, our basket is ready. We have emptied it from inside, and like this will make all the tomatoes. Okay friends, our tomato baskets are ready. So they are looking so cute, and now we will fill the stuffings. So friends, now we will do the stuffing. It looks very attractive. If some guests come, you can prepare them and keep them in the salad, and they will be so happy. Just fill them, okay, up to the brim. Now we will fill with the different stuffing we had got ready. These are cheese and sweet corns. So, aren't they looking so cute? So friends, now we will fill them with our sweet corn and cheese stuffing. Okay, so see, they are looking so cute. Now we will fill them with chickpeas. So all our 3 tomatoes with 3 different stuffings are ready, and see, they are looking so yummy, cute baskets. So friends, see, so yummy, tasty, our stuffed tomato baskets are ready, and these are so good for salad. And if anybody comes to your house, you can make it, and they will be so happy, and at least the kids will be happy to see them, and you will be happy to enjoy them eating, as they are so delicious. So kindly tell me in the comment how you find it, and next time I'll try to bring some more amazing recipe. And one more thing, it's a quiz for you, and in all the ingredients there was one ingredient which has a smile on its face. So you just tell me what is that ingredient, and if you guess the correct answer, I'll make the dish of your choice in my next video.